Sculpt Nation Honest Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Sculpt Nation is a fitness studio brand, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's just another boutique gym. The surprising truth is that Sculpt Nation focuses on full body, high-intensity sculpting classes with expert trainers, small group formats, and dynamic workout programming. Pricing typically starts with single class drop-ins at around $2, with monthly memberships ranging from $2 depending on class frequency. You won't believe the extras included: on-demand virtual classes, personalized fitness tracking, and community support that keeps motivation high. Many studios also offer class packs, which reduce per class cost and give flexibility for scheduling. Most people get this wrong by comparing only per class fees without considering the value of expert guidance, structured programs, and accountability. Sculpt Nation blends convenience, expertise, and community support for a complete fitness experience. In conclusion, Sculpt Nation pricing reflects the combination of class quality, flexibility, and additional support features. By understanding drop-in rates, memberships, and added perks, you go from zero to pro in deciding if Sculpt Nation delivers the right value for your fitness goals and budget.